Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. I'm a wood turner in Tennessee, and today is an introduction to my whiskey barrel bottle stoppers. The stopper you can get just about any place, but I prefer the ones from Woodcraft. So let's get to the barrel. Other than the bung, this barrel is made from a single piece of white oak. I have developed a process that makes these barrels look like they've been aged for many years in a rickhouse. I also have two unaged barrels. One is a black band barrel and a silver band barrel. Those will be the topic of future videos. The process of the aged barrel is about 30 to 35 steps to complete. Over the next few weeks, I will be releasing a series of videos that explain each one of these steps in great detail. However, the short time-lapse video you're about to see is a condensed version of all of these steps. It will also give you an idea about what to expect from this video series. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell so you'll be notified when each one of these videos are released. So, without further ado, please enjoy. These barrels are a lot of fun to make, depending on how you break it down. It's 30 to 35 steps. If you would like to learn more in depth each one of these processes, please stay tuned for the upcoming barrel making video series. And don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell so you won't miss out on a thing. Till next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya. I hope we got it that time, by golly. That's off. This is not recording. Good. And however, so let's get to the barrel. The barrel is made of a single piece of white oak. Great. Yes. I'm Jim Ballard. Till next time. Till next time. I'm Jim Ballard. See ya. See ya. Till next time. I'm Jim Ballard. See ya. Till next time. Till next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya. Boom. I think we got it. Stop everything. Stop.